Hello guys, today we are going to build a bottle design in SolidWorks. So today I am going to design it in SolidWorks solid part, and we can do some of the work in the SolidWorks surface also. And here mainly there are quite 2 or 3 options that has been implemented in this design to create this design. So let's start the drawing. At first we have to select the plane. So I'm going to select the front plane, and I'm going to the sketch option. Then I am going to design and or to develop it by revolve option. Okay, so at first I have to draw a out structure of the bottle. So let's see how we can do that. Smart dimension, give its distance, but at first we have to change the unit system. Okay, so let's go options and then go to the documents properties, units millimeter second. In this way we can change the unit system of in the SolidWorks, and that will be 50 millimeter. I should think we should small it down, that equal to 20 millimeter. Okay, then I'm going to make the cap section here. It's equal to 10 millimeter. It should 20 millimeter, I think. Okay, good. Then I'm going to trim this part. Okay, trim this part and make a center line here. This will be the center line, and make one line here. It should 25 millimeter or 15 millimeter. Okay, then there is some design here. Smart dimension 2 millimeter. Here, and then I'm going to one dimension here, that will be line here, one line here. Okay, then I'm making one tangent arc here. Here one arc, then the second arc has been come, that is here. Okay, then again the tangent dot. Okay, then going to draw one point here, that is equal to what the problem here. There I am going to make one arc here, here, sorry, 3D here, here and here. Okay, let's trim the other portions. Trim element, trim element, good. And this arc control. Birds, I think. Okay, this is a good. Okay, then I'm going to make one arc. Okay, here we can make this thing smooth, so I'm going to make 3-point arc. Okay, then I'm going to trim these also. Then I'm going to make this. Okay, and here well, then this is a good design, I think, and I'm going to revolve it down. Kindly open. Okay, sorry, I think this is open. Non-thin revolution feature requires a close sketch. This is good, I think. Okay, I think it should have some length, or okay, water bottle. I think it should some length. Okay. No, this is not. I think to scale smart dimension. Okay, now devolve it. Oh, good. This is a small water bottle. Okay, yeah, the small water bottle, and I'm going to make some designs here. So please some wait here. Here I want to take one plane here. That plane is equal to offset in reverse direction, flip offset, flip offset, and okay here. And then draw on this plane surface. Okay, here in this plane. Let's see from perpendicularly. Go to the 3-point arc portion and make one arc here. That is equal to here. No, here. Eight millimeter. Another thing is 8 millimeter. And make one curve here. Escape and trim all the entities. Make one liner. Okay, and let's take one center point here. Okay, this point should be delete. Okay, now control this point and this point. Oh, sorry, I should take one point here also. Here also. Now the smart dimension, this point and this point should be 2.5. No. Okay, 2.5. No, this should be 4.5. লম্ব ভাবে দেখা হয়. Good, no problem. Okay, now just exclude it. Okay, exclude it in upper portion, not there is should be mid plane, true mid plane. Oh no, sorry, exclude it through. I think the distance should be minimum. I think that this distance should be minimum. Let's edit sketch. Distance is equal to 3. Then how much? Exclude blind. Sorry, think the distance may be more. This is equal to 2.5. Let's see how much. This should mid-plane and offset. This should exclude it. Mid-plane. Oh, now this became 1.5. Exclude. Point 8. Exclude. Think this. আমি কাজ করছি, ডিস্টার্ব করবেন একদম। These two 1.8. Oh shit. 1.9. 1.8. Oh. 1 point. Oh, 1.9.
বাবু এই যে ইলেকট্রিকের পয়েন্ট পয়েন্ট খুব সাবধান তুমি নেট পাচ্ছিস বুঝলে হ্যাঁ
না আমি আমার নেটে কাজ
তোর গায়েতে কিছু দে খালি
আরে চুপ করো তো, কথা বলছি, কাজ করছি, কথা বলছি। 30, 35, 38, sorry, 37. Okay, good. Let's do it. Oh, that's become very good design here. Okay, and I'm going to make this design this design linear pattern, circular pattern. Okay, features these 6 face here. No, revolve. Parameters in this face. Can we do it that? Full preview. Sketch angular dimension or a linear edge axis. Okay. Conical face. Select an angular dimension. Face parameters. Here, and let make it some center line. Show center line, hidden lines, wireframe, hidden lines removed. Oh, sorry. Made it mirror, sketch, linear, face, direction, select features to be patterned, features, this. Circular pattern. These features allow features and faces. This face, this facing, the center line, parameters. Now I'm going to the circular pattern here. Okay, I'm going to the on this height line from here, this eye option and this height option here. Then I'm going to the circular pattern, select these features and this face, and the parameter will be this, and the number is equal to 10. Okay, and going to click here, could not be attached pattern faces, sorry, to form a closed body. Could not attach to solid. Add these and make these mirror these features, these mirroring face, and it became mirror here, and then linear pattern these. Circular parameters, features, these, and we came this pattern here. Okay, and now I'm going to fillet this all. Oh, this look great. Then I'm going to fillet all this. Okay, now height, and in I button hide this center line also. This looks great, a bottle shape here. Now I'm going to make a sketch in the front plane. Okay, sketch in front plane, 3-point arc, zoom it down, point this point and make here one sketch here. Then the another sketch is equal to 3-point arc here, here and here. Okay, now I'm going to make those ellipse here, ellipse, ellipse. Sorry. Sorry. Here and sorry. This one ellipse and another one is here perpendicular here and make one ellipse here. Then I'm going to features curve split line and select these faces where the line may created. Okay, this make this line. Okay, then I'm going to the surface, insert the surface. Okay, surface here, one is the planar surface free from offset surface, and then select the surfaces here. Okay, and the 10mm became the 0mm and good here. Then I'm going to the here insert boss base and thicken. Select this surface. 10mm became the 1.5mm. Okay, 1.5mm, and come to take it down. Oh, this became a good design here. And then I'm going to cross it down and make some fillet work here. That became this and the number of fillets is only 2. Okay, this is looking very good, and it should here also not here. Delete the outside surface. Okay, zoom it down here also, here also, here also, Great, this became this fillet option. Oh, this became very good looking. Okay, very good looking. Then I am going to shell it down here. The shell option, select face. The thickness became only 2 mm. Okay, and give it tick. Oh, sorry, there became the fillet option. I'm going to end these all fillets and then I'm going to shell it, because if I do fillet then I can't to make this shell. Select this and make it shell. Okay, what it's down, it's that it can't be fillet. Okay, I will make it small thickness 1 mm. Let's see what is happening. Okay, 0.5. Everywhere there is a problem. Okay, I am going to thicken, and I'm going to fillet circle. Okay, now I'm going to make this shell. Select this and make it 2 mm. 2 mm and make it rods. The shell operation failed to complete one or more phase offset into what the problem. Fuck. Revolve here, and I'm going to shell it here. Okay, good. Now take it down. Oh, is this looking very good? Good. There is I'm going to make it shell, and this is a very good design. I have to make the fillet again here. These okay, these good shell here and make it click here. All shell done. I'm going to create some fillet. Another options, these became 2 1. Okay, and here there is the 2 fillet here. Okay, and I can make here shell also. This looks very good. Okay, you can make intersect. Now this beam becomes to full body. Okay, you need not to intersect it. And now
make
it. I'm going to make one thread here. Select this face and select this face and make sketch here. Convert entities, select this face, take here. Then I'm going to the helix from here in the reverse direction. Each value became 1. Height and pitch, and make the height smallly. And okay, again. Then I'm going to make one plane. What is the exit point here? What is the exit point? Exit point. Here I think. Here. And the second one is the helix. This became the helix. Take it down. Sketch. I'm going to make one sketch here. I'm going to sketch here small small triangle here. Here, small sketch, trim it down, trim elements, and take. Then going to the sweep option, select this line, small, sorry, I have to change this dry. I'm going to make it large. Select this. 1 millimeter, then sorry, to 0.5
এইগুলো সব জামা কাপড়গুলো কি করে দিয়েছে কেন? হ্যাঁ, জামা কাপড়গুলো তো মেলেছি, অনেক পরিশ্রম করে তো মেলেছি কেচে। জামা কাপড়গুলো সব গুটিয়েছো কেন?
আরে গোটায়নি, চলতে ফিরতে সরাতে হয়েছে।
কষ্ট করে কোমর নিচু করে চলবা।
good make a good thread here and let's click it, tick here. Oh, this is how we can make আরে সব চলবে, রেকর্ডিং এ সব চলবে। This is how we can make the thread. Let's cut it. Pictures should cut. This make a very beautiful bottle design and also the thread design. Here I am going to make some fillet here, here. Okay, then I'm going to the finish. Okay, so let's select the face. Okay, revolve, that's great. Revolve and go to the appearance, revolve. The finish became green, and the appearance became glass appearance. This, but the color became green. No, this is the plastic appearance. I think that medium high gloss plastics appearance. Green. Oh great, this looks great. Oh wow. And this face became plastic appearance and red. This became the pure red. Pure red, pure. Pure red, good. Now this became, these two faces became yellow. That became the very good color, I think. Now copy this appearance, paste it down here. Good. Paste. Paste, good. Now this became black. pink. I went to the pink color here. Pink. This pink. Oh, this look very good. In this how we can make the appearances and this color bottle. Oh, that's great. And we make it the section view here. This became the section view. Okay, and in this how I'm going to end this video here.